Welcome back to Quiz Kane. Can you identify these birds before the clock runs out? I'll give you a list of names and an image. You have 8 seconds to pick the right one. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more quizzes and fun. Let's get started. Peacock, sparrow, parrot. Answer C, parrot. Eagle, owl, crow. Answer B, owl. Swan, duck, flamingo. Answer C, flamingo. Penguin, puffin, ostrich. Answer A, penguin. Raven, woodpecker, dove. Answer B, woodpecker. Peacock, hawk, pigeon. Answer A, peacock. Robin, swift, hummingbird. Answer C, hummingbird. Vulture, eagle, falcon. Answer B, eagle. Crane, stork, swan. Answer C, swan. Macaw, toucan, hornbill. Answer B, toucan. Blue jay, finch, cardinal. Answer A, blue jay. Turkey, chicken, ostrich. Answer C, ostrich. Gull, heron, kingfisher. Answer C, kingfisher. Canary, goldfinch, sparrow. Answer B, goldfinch. Emu, kiwi, cassowary. Answer C, cassowary. Dove, pigeon, quail. Answer B, pigeon. Condor, vulture, buzzard. Answer A, condor. Pelican, albatross, seagull. Answer C, seagull. Macaw, cockatoo, lovebird. Answer A, macaw. Roadrunner, pheasant, partridge. Answer B, pheasant. Raven, blackbird, starling. Answer A, raven. Auk, razorbill, puffin. Answer C, puffin. Finch, cardinal, sparrow. Answer B, cardinal. Goose, loon, duck. Answer C, duck. Albatross, petrel, tern. Answer A, albatross. Kite, falcon, osprey. Answer B, falcon. Robin, martin, swallow. Answer A, robin. Heron, crane, stork. Answer C, stork. Magpie, mockingbird, thrush. Answer B, mockingbird. Budgie, cockatiel, crow. Answer C, crow.